In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Special Features right away. Then select App Lock under Security and Safety. Click on gray switcher next to App Lock feature and then select Settings in the pop-up. Now it's time to click on Use a different password type and pick one of those login methods you will use to unlock your apps. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. After you decided, you need to create your app lock and repeat it to confirm it. Then answer a security question. If you don't like it, you can either click on it and tap on one of those, or click on it and select Custom Question at the bottom to create your own. Then hit OK, and remember to answer it correctly below. Now use this check mark at the top right corner to continue. Finally, you can lock any app by tapping on gray switcher next to it. So when I go back and try to access any of those apps, I can see that privacy password is now required. If you wish to disable it from any app, go back to the same settings, hit App Lock, enter it, and tap on No Blue Switchers next to your apps. To disable App Lock completely, use blue switcher next to it, or click on those 3 dots at the top right corner. Select Set Now, click on Privacy Password over here, enter it, and to delete it, hit Turn Off. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and enter your privacy password one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!